Namaskar. President of Indian Institute, Mr. Sanjay Tambe, Ayurveda practitioners and friends. It is my distinct honor to be part of the Ayurveda Day 2020 celebrations in South Germany. The theme for this year is Ayurveda for COVID-19. Let me clarify that Ayurveda is not claiming to provide a cure for COVID-19 pandemic, but the Ayurveda protocol for COVID-19 can help boost your immunity. It can prepare you to combat the disease by treating minor symptoms. And when you have beaten the virus, Ayurveda can help you manage your life after COVID-19. I would request you to visit the Ministry of Ayurveda website and get details on the Ayurveda protocol on coronavirus pandemic. Friends, Ayurveda has been an article of faith for millions of Indians for thousands of years. Today, it is being energized by scientific vigor and legal support. The Government of India has done a lot for promoting Ayurveda. From giving legal status to Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda at Jamnagar, Gujarat, to partnership with foreign universities and research institutes, from opening Ayurveda departments at 19 eminent hospitals in India, to teaching certification of Ayurveda practitioners, from promoting research culture to protecting intellectual property. Ayurveda is a living healthcare system with focus on balanced life. In South Germany, Ayurveda is one of the fastest growing traditional healthcare systems. Every year, the number of people going to Ayurveda facilities or ordering Ayurvedic products is increasing. It is a multi-billion-dollar opportunity and is expected to support hundreds and thousands of jobs. You can go to your local apotheke and get more Ayurvedic products than you could ever in the past. To get more people to benefit from Ayurveda, we must get some things done. First, we must get greater acceptability. Second, we must invest in R&D and test medicines. Third, there must be an interdisciplinary interaction between traditional and modern systems of medicines so that they can learn from one another and support each other in the quest for overall wellness. I wish Indian Institute, Munich, great success for the 5th Ayurveda Day celebrations and hope that each and every one of you stay healthy and stay safe during the coronavirus pandemic. Bleiben Sie gesund.